Hello guys, so in this video we are looking at VEX 50 and VEX 75. So let's start off with VEX 50 on the daily time frame. And as you can clearly see, the market is just pushing to the downside. So I'm looking at this first area, of which that is an area of interest whereby there was like volume kicking in from the market from this area here, just like that. Then the market sold off from that area, and another area that I'll be looking at is this one here, just because we had this area here, just like that. Let me just throw it out, make it a bit yellow, just because the charts are a bit dark, guys. So as you can see, this is where we got the momentum pushing down. So that is why I'm expecting some more selling opportunities to come up until this point. And then the pattern that we are using is a reversal pattern. As you can obviously see, this is an ascending channel. For those who don't know patterns, this is an ascending channel, guys. So just like that, then we have the 90%, of which the 90% is just where the market has to reach. So the idea is just like this on the higher time frame. And as you can clearly see, or you can just look left and use this as your second target, just because there was another ascending channel happening around this point here, just like this, just like that. And I like to cater for the touches correctly. I don't just force my touches, just because if you force them, that is when you're going to have issues, guys. So just like that, we can switch over to the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour, as you can clearly see, there are some patterns that we can cater for. So just like that, we have this one here, which it's a bit choppy, just because there are like price action. There is like price action that is like peeking out, as you can see around this point here. But like we can just do this so that we can just cater for the most touches. Then around the top of the structure, we're going to remove these two here, just because I saw that we had a double top formation just around this area here. Let me just apply to default so that it can be like clean. So as you can see, the double top formation, then we had a push down, creating another ascending channel just like this. Then we sold off, then we created a pattern, then we created another one. So on the 1 minute, on the 1 hour, sorry about that, the 1 hour time frame, that is where we decide if like we're going to take early sells or not. So I have like two areas. This is the first area, this is the second area of interest on the 1 hour. And then the current structure is this one, whereby this is also an area of interest, just like that. Then we have this going on, of which this can be the one that goes to the downside, just because it's clean and it's straightforward, guys. So we can just anticipate some selling opportunities from here. Stops just above this area, knowing that we are targeting the lows. But like if it doesn't form up, then we know that the market has to do what? Pull back to the top of the structure, maybe sell off from this point here, just like this. Maybe we can sell off from this area or the top of the structure, just like that. So that is the anticipation that I have on VEX 50 1S. So looking at VEX 75, that is where everything will be nice, guys. So let me just open the charts so that you can see everything. So let's start off on the 24-hour time frame, of which it's the daily, guys. So just like this. So we are on the 24-hour time frame, of which it's the daily, guys. So first of all, you just need to look at your overall areas of interest. So the first area of interest was this one here, of which the market tapped into. Then the second one should be this one here. So these are the two areas that we had on the daily time frame, and then this is our overall target, of which is the 90%. So now we're just going to focus on what? The internal structures, or the structures within this area here. So just like that, we had a pattern going on just like this. So I'm just going to remove like this area of interest, just because it's already mitigated and then it's already pushing to the downside. So we're just looking forward continuations to the downside, just because already we had the push down. So now we expect some more pushes to the downside. So I'll be expecting some selling opportunities within this point or within this area here, just like that. So we can switch over to the 1 hour time frame, just because already I know the anticipation is that we are going to look for sales, or we can just stop by the 4 hour time frame just because it's it's useful. Like using the 4 hours sometimes can be like a very useful time frame. So this is the area that I'm looking at so far. So let's say maybe we get a rejection from this point. Let's say maybe we get a rejection here, a nice rejection, then we can start looking for selling opportunities at that point. And already we are creating this ascending channel type fill to this area here. So just like that, we created an ascending channel, of which it's not nice, but like already this gives me an idea for us to look for selling opportunities, guys. Then at the top of the structure is right there. So make sure that you are focusing on this two pairs or these two instruments, just because they can give you like a lot of bank, obviously a lot of bank. So let's say maybe you decide to sell around this area here. Let's say maybe decide to sell around this area here for some nice risk to reward. But like what you can do is place a sell here after getting a rejection, then a stop loss can be just above. But like this wouldn't make sense. Rather you wait for a clean push down around here, just because we have two areas of interest. And then the first correction would be the one that you take to the downside, of which this is a more reserved approach, or a more conservative approach, whereby you just trying to risk less and earn more money into these markets here. So around here we're targeting the lows, and the overall target should be around this point here, just like that. So those are the two setups that I have for you on draft, just because it's already weekend, guys. So we're trying to make bank on each and every markets that we are trading. So these two, but like I'm anticipating to get sales on as VEX 75 soon. So I'll be waiting for that rejection, push down maybe, or the top of the structure. And yeah, I'll keep you updated, guys, in the free Telegram. You can just look at it in the description below, and I'll see you on another one.